Hi, I'm Amy Crowther and I'm a PhD researcher at the University of Manchester. So my PhD focuses on the governance of distributed energy systems, looking at the different actors involved, different key stakeholders and how they interact within the creation and maintenance of these systems. So I'm hoping that through my research I'll be able to identify practices, techniques to support the integration of stakeholders within the establishment, maintenance and overall functioning and creation of distributed energy systems to ensure that all perspectives and beliefs and understandings are considered and worked into their creation and working. And through this, hopefully, there'll be a more equitable energy system. I think there are a variety of individuals that would benefit and find my research interesting. So energy consumers, energy prosumers, sort of those associated with the development of energy within cities. We're going to sort of focus on an urban context. Governments, the NGOs for like the justice dimension and making it equitable. I think there's a multidisciplinary nature to it, so that means that it'll benefit all those individuals as well as all the key stakeholders within distributed energy systems.